What's up, boss dons? Curtis Tondino. So in short, today we're doing something like an unboxing, something like a review. Alright, so I would say one of the hottest brands in 2020 that I kind of seen like resurface was Bottega. And you know me, I had to get me a piece, you know what I'm saying? So I was gifted these by one of my very best friends, one of my brothers. And I was so grateful because you know how like it's those things that like you want but you don't ever want to buy yourself. Like, if that makes sense, it's like I want it, but do I want to spend that on it? And like for me, I'm just so fortunate to have people that just are like, I want to buy it for you. So I'm just beyond grateful. We're about to get into the shoe in a second. I just want to look up what they cost because do I buy them? I don't know. Okay, let's look. Hold on, let's see. Men shoes by category. Boots. They should come up first. Okay, so these were, I don't see the exact ones, my price, which is a good thing. So they probably are between $1,100 and $1,150. This was the toughest colorway. They did have one other colorway that I was really fond of, which were like the cream and black ones. And these are called tire boots. And this is what they look like. But forget what they look like on the phone, because I can show you in person. So Bottega has like this candy apple green branding that they do on their boxes, on their bags. And it's like this like black 3D, like you can just, that's some ASMR for you, Bottega ASMR. So, hold up guys, we have a visitor. Hey, say hi, Cash. You want to be in every video. Someone's a camera boy. Okay, so it's the shadow that's killing me. Okay, so when you open the box, and by the way, I've seen a lot of like Instagrammers and influencers start to be like unboxes, and it's so funny because the way they unbox stuff, they like touch the box like this and then they open the box. You know, since everyone got that pandemic money, everyone's buying designer, so now everybody doing unboxing. Let's get into it. So I'm the worst. So we got these ginormous dust bags, and can I just say, before 2020, I had never traveled that much, but when you're in a relationship with someone who just loves to travel and just always go places, you travel a lot. So I never really understood the importance of dust bags. I mean, I would love when they look good, but other than that, I just felt like they were kind of not really useful. So you're just gonna knock that down, Cash? So whatever the case is, they have these ginormous dust bags. Dust bags are great for traveling because at the end of the day, when you get good wears out of your shoes, they do eventually have a little dirt on them and stuff. And with that dirt comes, it just doesn't mix well in your suitcase. So I learned the importance of dust bags this year. So when dust bags are like not the good sizes and stuff, I've definitely realized that, and this is definitely a good one. Like the strings aren't regular, they're like those like wax coated strings, so you know they're gonna last. Stuff like that really makes a big difference. This is just like probably screen printed on, but it's still cool, little vinyl. So we get two of these, and right now we have Cash biting the box. It's okay, boy, good boy, good boy. He like to play, so we're gonna let him. And then we got some good tissue paper. This is that good tissue paper. Oh, and by the way, when they do the tissue paper, they do like, I mean, I don't know, and maybe that's why I haven't really grown on YouTube, but like, stuff be like, the aim of certain things are so like aesthetically pleasing that I feel like it devalues the point. Like, granted, I may talk 19 hours before you get to see the shoes, but at least I didn't give you like 90,000 hand movements before you get to the shoes. Alright, so now we got some more paper. We got some more paper. Some more paper. Let me back the camera up some so y'all can see what's going on here. Alright, so we got some more paper. Then we have some styrofoam. This is very important because a lot of things don't have like this much protection. So I thought that was really cool. Okay, and so then we have the magical tire boots. Now these things are like clunky, they're like super heavy, but they have that look. Like clearly that's what, I'm gonna sit this on the side, Cash, you mind? Okay, you can bite it from that angle, okay? Bite it from that angle. Look, here it is right here, look. Look, there you go. We don't really value stuff, especially like boxes and stuff like that around here. Cash, you can bite it as much as you want, quick. So mine are a size 41, which by the way, to have a friend that knows your shoe size is very, 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 very good. But we've always had similar shoe size. Will wears a 40, I wear a 41, so it's not hard to remember, because I remember it was one point in time where I think people were trying to say we were sharing clothes or something, and because he had these silver, black, and red Balenciaga Triple S, I had these silver, black, and red Balenciaga Triple S, and we had to wear them together in this picture because we like, yo, we don't share clothes. Like, nah, we don't do that. We only wear the same size. So his was a 40, mine was a 41. Even though really personally I felt like I wanted to switch because Triple S's are cut a little big and then they already heavy. So yeah, 40 probably would have had done me better in those. But so these shoes are so special to me. I've worn them once, so this is a late unboxing. This is more of a review than an unboxing, but don't sleep on that, because I feel like reviews of products that people have had and worn are much, much, much better than just unboxings. And I've noticed that over time, because I feel like I watch some of my old unboxings, which is rare, and it's like, I'm not even really saying anything about how the shoe fits. Is it comfortable? So these are like super high. I'm not sure the exact inch of them, but they're pretty high. So right now I have on like the Rick Owens that everybody wears, and these like come up way higher than that, you know? Okay, that's not an example, but yeah, they're way higher. So my little sister, she has these as well, the same exact boot, and she said they are comfortable. Will, I think I don't think he got the black ones. He got like the cream and black ones, the ones I showed you online, and I believe he said they hurt as well. Everybody says they hurt here, right there. But one thing I can say that is pretty bad about them is that they do like heavy creasing right here, but I didn't leave them stuffed or anything, and they were in suitcases, etc., so that could be why. But one thing I can say is this clear sole that I damn near can see all through. You can't really tell on the camera, but it's so translucent. It's so translucent. It's so tough. And like, and I like the way I wore them, I had wore them with, well, I actually wore them twice, because I wore them on Thanksgiving, which doesn't really count because I was just walking around in the house. And I wore them with all black and with the like I think it's Marine Cerise turtleneck. Where is that turtleneck at? I haven't seen it since I wore it. Is that what I had on? I think it was. Whatever the case is. Then I wore them to, ironically, Will's birthday trip weekend, and I had on like these leather Dino samples. Yo, when I tell you those samples are crazy, because they was like genuine leather, and then they got like a zipper on the side, so they kind of flared out. I didn't produce them because I couldn't really, for the cost and the amount that I had to get made, it just wasn't the most, it wasn't really the best option for me at the time. So I had to improvise, and I just was like, I'll wait until next fall. Mind you, that was in December when I had received the samples. So they take about 2 months to make. They always say like 2 weeks, but it always gonna be like 2 months. So and then you still gotta like promote and shoot them and do a lot of other stuff. And I've been trying to like, you know, up my brand quality. So I say that all to say that I didn't produce the pants. I know y'all probably don't care, but if you do care, good to know. But yo, the waves on here, the stretch on here, but I want to show you how these, bad boys get on. They are heavy, but to me, they have like a really good feel to them. And the second time I wore them like with the pants over. I will only recommend doing that if the pants flare out. I'm not really big on like a lot of guys, because I feel like in fashion now, we come to a point where I always say, for guys, especially black guys or urban guys, there used to be Kanye West and Yo Gotti. You are either very different or odd. I mean, there's a lot of pivots from these people. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not saying like Yo Gotti was super stylish, but what I'm saying is like you had guys that pretty much just dressed, just put on clothes, maybe a couple designers, but like corny stuff like 7 jeans and I don't know what else, ugly Gucci belts. Then you fast forward, you had like Kanye and just like next level stuff that was kind of breaking gender barriers. And I say that to say like anybody who was wearing like Kanye West-esque stuff was considered like gay or just feminine. And like now, all guys dress the same. But I feel like it's interpreted differently. So for instance, with a boot like this, if a guy wears it and he's more like a street guy or more urban guy, he'll probably wear it with it covered. And I feel like boots like this actually can be done both ways, but I like to see what people do because it shows like how comfortable they are with their style. It's just like, are you wearing a boot over because you know better, or because it fits the outfit, or because you're scared, you know? So I just wanted to show you how these go on. So first off, you hold the 2 tabs, which is really good because usually boots only have 1. Some have none, but these do have a zipper. But the elastic on here is pretty stretchy. See? I wouldn't recommend if you have big calves though, like really big calves. So, and it's really simple. You just slide them on. To me, they go on so easily. I think they're cut a little big. I feel like I could have probably gotten a 40 and they would have done me justice. I really feel like they're really comfortable though. I'll just put my foot on the couch so you guys can see a little more. They're just really tough. They're really tough. I like these a lot. I would recommend these simply because I feel like they're very versatile. Very of the moment, but if you're a type of person who shops for like stuff that's quick, that's not quick, stuff like, if you're the type of person who buys stuff of the moment, you know you'll wear it in 2020, maybe 2021, don't give a fuck about it again, the money meant nothing to you, it'll stay in your closet, cool. If you're the type of person who buys stuff, hold it, sell it, cool. I feel like these, by next year this time, Bottega is still on the same trajectory and they don't really change much, then I feel like you'll be fine. Overall, I think these boots are dope. But just to give you a rundown, they were about $1,200. They are really difficult to find in the good colors. I will say that. I don't like the shorter ones. I don't like the rain boot claw looking ones. I only like these ones. These are the only ones I recommend. The only other thing I would get from Bottega is a slide. Can you throw me that slide real quick? Just real quick. Their slides are pretty cool. They kind of got like that like Birkenstock vibe, and I hate Birkenstocks with a passion, but it's something about like that chunky strap that does well, and they're pretty thick, they're pretty durable. These came in black and I believe white. They're just really, they're really tough. I mean, I like Bottega. I like the direction they go in. It's like simple, but like a statement, and that's just my vibe. You know what I'm saying? So I do like these. I like these with pants. I like them with skinny jeans. I think I could wear them with shorts. Maybe like, let me see if the sock was down. I don't know. They still feel a little like not like the Rick works with shorts for me, but I'm not really sure if these do. But whatever the case is, I only mention that because I had plans on wearing them with shorts before, but now I'm seeing it kind of look crazy. But yeah, so this is just some content to keep you guys up to date. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you really fuck with me, share this video. Just tweet it out for me. I mean, I don't think you understand what that one share could do. Not only for my pockets and my growth, but my mental stability. Alright, boys, dons. Stay untouchable. Godspeed.